Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Shimu Learn and Share. I am Shimoli. In my channel, I try to learn and share new things with you. So friends, I hope you like my all the previous videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Friends, today in my origami series, I will share how to make a beautiful set of table and chair. Let's get started. Now we will make our origami chair. For making a origami chair, we need a 15 by 15 centimeter of a paper. Like the table, first again fold it half. In this way. And fold it. Match this line with this. This way. Match this line with this. You have to do the same on this side also. So this. Now unfold any one folding you like. For example, I am unfolding the right part. Okay. Now again fold this half. Like this. Like this. Now fold this point with this cross. Do the same on this side. And this way. Like this. Unfold this and open this and match it like this. And now press it down. Do the same on this side also. Open it and then press it slightly. So it looks like this. Now fold the square part up. Match it with this line like this. So almost our chair is ready. Now we have to fold this part with this. Match it with the bottom one and fold it. Do the same on the second side. And this way. Keep it pressed properly with hand. And then open it. So guys, our origami chair is also ready. Table and chair. So now you can also keep the cover paper to decorate it more if you like. Also on the chair, you can measure its size and then cut any colorful or decorative paper like this and show it as your cover paper. Now we will stick the pillow to it. This is our pillow. And now we will stick this to it. So, and our one chair is already ready. So, see it guys. It's so beautiful. Now let's make our living room out of it. Here goes our sofa. And here at the back goes our curtains. So, a beautiful set of table and chair with sofa and curtains is ready. If you want to learn that how to make a sofa, then check out my next video. Friends, if you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.